So now we're gonna head into Camp Ocean, which is Carnival's signature kids club. They do an amazing job with families, and I know my daughter absolutely loves it here on board. So you can see they have it divided up into the different age groups. We'll take you in there in just a minute, but I wanted to talk a little bit more about their partnership with Dr. Seuss. So we're gonna head on through the door here into Bookville. So you're gonna find the Dr. Seuss theme throughout the ship, and especially the kids club. I love the concentration on reading. As a teacher for the last 10 years, it's something that I focused a lot on. Having a strong foundation at the beginning makes all the difference in the world. And if you can make it fun, it's even better. So in here, it's set up as a library. We're basically on the very first cruise. It's a preview. They haven't even started cruising yet. So they'll have the books in here in a minute. But the idea behind this is you've got a reading station. So they've got the chair over there. They've got another chair over here. Lots of places for the kids to sit. Really nice and comfy. And they even have those really cute loungers over there in the corner. But once again, this will be filled with books where the kids can grab them, read a little bit, basically deal with all the rhymes and all the fun that is Dr. Seuss, and really add to that educational component of the cruise experience. You know, we do know a thing or two about cruising. Just saying. So for the littlest of cruisers, age 2 to 5, you're gonna have the penguins area. So they've got the hand washing station right when they walk in, the restrooms just around the corner. I love that they're nice and their size. I know my daughter, it makes a huge difference for that to add to that level of comfort. Now as you walk in, it's a beautiful space. You've got these loungers wrapped all the way around. You've got the movie station over there. Now they're gonna do more than just fun. They're gonna have a lot of fun. They're gonna add some educational components, and they're gonna keep them engaged throughout. So on that far side, you're gonna have those little reading nooks, more loungers here, and then you've got several different toys here. I actually feel like I'm stepping back to my daughter's younger years here. You've got what looks like a Barbie station, a little castle. You've got the kitchen. Of course, the basketball hoop is a must. And then you also have the construction area as well. You've got some puzzles on the wall, more puzzles over here as well, and then the little rockers. Once again, this is for the 2 to 5-year-olds. So they have an expanded zone for the 6 to 11-year-olds. Now they'll split it up depending on how many kids are on board and the different activities that they have. So over here they've got a chill zone, you've got a craft station. They also have a partnership with Build-A-Bear Workshop, and see all the different fun items that they have back there. And then right in front here, you're gonna have a large flat panel TV. They've got the sound bars. It's a really fantastic place to do movie night, but also this doubles down as a dance floor and an activity center. Now, depending, like I said, on the time of day and the activities that they're doing, this is where you would normally divide it up between the 6 and 8-year-olds and then the 9 to 11-year-olds. So they've got their own place to chill in here. I know kids love a little cubby to tuck away in. You've got some video game stations all along the side there. A really nice open place. Once again, they're gonna keep them engaged every moment that they're in here. And if the kids are having a great time, the parents have a great time as well too. You can take advantage of all the fantastic places here on the ship. And they also have the night owl babysitting service, so you can drop them off. They can stay a little bit later. In fact, my daughter usually begs to stay a little bit later. And then you can go out and have a night and enjoy all the incredible things that the Mardi Gras has to offer. So you've got another movie station just over here. You see cubbies all around. That's where they have all the art supplies and all the different activities that they do throughout the day. Now, being a high-tech ship that it is, let me take you through the door to one of the kids' favorite places to hang out. Now, this area is the video game lounge. You've got these nice booth seats here against the wall. And then as you walk through, you have a large TV. And then all the way down this side, there's about a dozen. And then another 10 or so all the way along here. All different video game stations. The kids are gonna love it. It's just nice, fun, interactive. They have a wide variety of games that they can take advantage of. Once again, keep the kids happy, everyone's gonna be happy. Now, as soon as you get on board, you wanna head down to Camp Ocean to check your kids in. It's really important to note that only you can drop them off and pick them up. So if you wanna give anybody else access, we were just on a cruise with my mom and dad, so grandma and grandpa could pick them up, but they have to add the authorization. Once again, safety is paramount. Now I'm just inside the Family Harbor Lounge. This is exclusive for those in the Family Harbor staterooms and suites. What I love about this is it's a space specifically for families. It's a really nice upgrade option. So you can see the main part of it is a dining area. So you've got the full dining room area over here. You're gonna have continental breakfast every single day. They've got coffee, an espresso maker, sodas. I really appreciate they have those there. And then also you're gonna have my all-time favorite, soft serve. Let me take you over here to the side. This is going to be the family movie lounge. So they'll do movie night in here. You can come in here and take advantage of that if you'd like. You've got wraparound seats just here. And then as we continue on into the space, over to the right, you're going to find more of that family lounge. So you've got another movie setting area here, right? You've got a large flat panel TV once again, and couches wrapped all the way around. Tucked over in the corner, you're going to have a workstation, and then I'm going to take you right around the corner here. You can see why this is such a great option to step right outside your room, grab a quick breakfast, grab a quick snack, and also to have a space that's family friendly. I mean, the whole ship is, of course, but this is unique. You've got more dining areas wrapped all the way around the corner and a continuation of the beautiful decor. Now keep in mind this is complimentary for those in the Family Harbor rooms, and you can see all of those on our tours of the rooms and suites of the ship. Circle C is the teen and tween club here on board. It's for the 12 to 14-year-olds. Once again, they're going to have activities throughout the day in here. They've got a great dance floor. They've got TV, so they can do movies as well. Even have the disco lights and all of that. Right over here, you've got a video game movie station. So you've got these really nice, large, comfortable loungers. All along the wall, you'll see these cabinets. That's where they're going to have all the different activities for arts and crafts. Once again, they've got something for just about every personality of teenager. I was a middle school teacher for a really long time. Keeping them engaged can be challenging, but what I find is there's so many awesome things to do on the ship. The combination of this and all of those different activities is going to make them really happy. Now, tucked in the corner, they're going to have a craft station, and they also have video game loungers and quite a few video game stations. Once again, all included in part of the complimentary Carnival experience. Across from Circle C, you'll find the Warehouse Arcade. It's a really, really huge arcade for a cruise ship. Now, this is an extra cost. Make sure you discuss that with the kids or the grown-up kids like myself. Anybody can come in here and play. So you've got all kinds of claw machines along the wall there. You've got several virtual reality style machines, so you put those on and you can really be immersed in the experience. Now I'm going to continue around the corner here. You're going to have all kinds of different options. So over here you've got the pearl fishery. Over here you're going to have the Whack-A-Clown. Once again, it's kind of a full carnival experience, if you will. So I just explored a small portion of it. You're going to be shocked by how incredibly big it is. So over here, you're going to have all kinds of different claw machines once again. And then as we head over to the corner, you're going to find the heart of the arcade. Well, for me, it's always going to be basketball. So you've got a Pop-A-Shot machine over there. You've got more over here as well. Jurassic World, Walking Dead, Jurassic Park. I played that game with my nephew quite a bit on our last cruise. We had a great time. And then the arcade continues to wrap all around the corner, and they even have some of those classics as well. Now we're just inside Club 02, which is for the 15 to 17-year-olds. It's a really large space, so we're just in the entryway here. They've got several different workstations right there. You've got more chairs and high tops tucked in the corner. In the middle of it, you have a ton of different video game options. Got some loungers over to the side, but as I walk through, you can see on either side here and on the far sides, you're also going to have more video game stations. Now right here in the middle, you kind of have this lounge area, so there's seating against the windows, booth style. You also have these high top tables as well. There's a large flat panel TV. They can do movies, games, things along those lines. There's even a jukebox where they can pick their own music to rock out to. Now another really unique part of this space is just through the doors there, they have their own outdoor private lounge. So there is a ton of space dedicated to the 15 to 17-year-olds. So at the top aft of the ship, you're gonna find the ultimate playground. And what screams fun, like lots and lots of fantastic outdoor activities. So first up is the complimentary ropes course. It actually wraps all the way around the sport court. You can see you can stand over off the edge of the ship, kind of a walking the plank kind of concept. They got a little bit of a zip line. They've got quite a few different options as you work your way around. So if you're extra brave, I highly recommend that you check it out. So just in front of the funnel, you're gonna have the full-size sport court. You can come up here, play some basketball, soccer. They have all kinds of different competitions, 3-on-3 tournaments. You can play a pickup game as well. But growing up, my dad being a basketball coach, my brother and I both played for him, we always had to come up and do some free throw practice. And of course, he always wanted me to check and see if the bank was open. Let's see what we got. Hey, the bank's open today. Now I know this is what most of you have been most interested in, waiting for to come out on the Mardi Gras. This is Bolt, the first ever roller coaster at sea. It's a Harr roller coaster, a spike model, if you will, that uses the pinion system to go ahead and propel. But what I love about this, it's 100 horsepower, actually has twice the pickup speed. So it goes twice as fast acceleration as a Porsche 911. Goes all the way around the top of the ship. It's an absolute blast, and I know that you're gonna love checking it out. Now, it is an additional cost, but being on a roller coaster on the ocean, I think it's worth it. Let's do it. So you do need to pre-reserve in the Carnival Hub app, and then when you do, you just come check on in and then head right on up the stairs to enjoy. Been waiting for this for a really long time. Nearly 800-foot long track. You control the power, so you can go as fast as it can go, or you can slow it down a little bit. It's really up to you. You're nearly 200 feet above the water. Let's check it out. So that was an absolute blast. As soon as you take off, you really get going quick. Like I said, double the acceleration of a Porsche 911. I love that you go, and in the very back, you have an upward helix loop, and then you continue along all the way up and around. You got a little boost button, so you hit that, you can go even faster. But for me, that was something completely unexpected on a cruise ship, a really nice addition to the entire fleet, and I love the fact that they have this on board the Mardi Gras, and I see more of it in the future. Next up is Carnival Waterworks. Now, Carnival has always been on the cutting edge of water slides on a cruise ship. They invented the entire concept. There's 3 large water slides all the way up on the top. You can see the blue one that comes down. You also have the yellow coming off, and they even have an orange drop slide that heads directly down. What I love about this is that's great for the adults and the teenagers, but if you have a littler one, they're gonna have a blast here as well. I can picture my 5-year-old really enjoying these smaller water slides here. They've got a couple on the other side as well. They've got a drench bucket all the way up top. You've got a nice huge bucket of water right on top. But this is the place where you cool off, refresh, and once again, continue the fun. Now, one of the all-time classic things to do on board a cruise ship is miniature golf. I love it. I've been doing it since I was a little kid. And Carnival, of course, always has that as an onboard feature for you. It's complimentary. You can do it any time that you'd like. In fact, on my last cruise just a few days ago, my daughter and I played a ton of miniature golf. It was a great family bonding experience. And, well, she kept beating me, but any which way. All right, let's see. We've got a couple different routes each and every time. For Harr 2. What? Harr 2? I said par 3? Hey, I'm still away. Oh my goodness. People these days. All right. Par 7. Yes! Now, whatever fun you're looking to have here on board, Carnival Mardi Gras is certain to take it to the next level. Whether it's that fantastic ropes course, the sport court if you have a little bit of competition in you, the Bolt roller coaster that wraps all the way around and does this incredible loop here in the back, Carnival Waterworks, or the miniature golf. Carnival does the best job in the industry at pure fun, and they've hit it out of the park with this particular venue.